Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the Scracth Disk error in Photoshop. Let's get right into it. So basically, the Scracth Disk error occurs when the storage device Photoshop uses for temporary data is full or almost full. And there's a few things you can do. If you know which storage device Photoshop is using for temporary storage, just delete some files to clear up some space. If that's not an option, there's more you can do. If you have more than one storage device on your PC or Mac, you can just tell Photoshop to use a different storage device. Or you can plug in an external hard drive or SSD. And when you do so, you can then tell Photoshop to use that device. So let's get into it. So in Photoshop, you're going to want to go to your preferences. So go to Edit, and then go to Preferences, and then just click on General. You can also use Ctrl-K on your keyboard. Once you open up your preferences, you want to go to Scracth Disks. And as you can see, the current drive I'm using for Scracth Disks has very little storage left. However, I have two other devices that have plenty of storage. So I'm going to tick on my E drive and then untick my C drive. Pick the storage device which you want to use that has enough space. Ideally, you're going to want at least 50 gigabytes of free space left on your device. And once you do that, just click on OK, and your Scracth Disk errors are going to go away. That's all you need to do. So make sure you have another device ready for Photoshop to use for Scracth Disks, and then just tell Photoshop to use that device. That's all you need to do to simply fix the issue. Thanks for watching.